DB systems for OCI can be provisioned through console or OCI CLI commands. Considerations for deciding the shapes. Storage can be scaled up for VMs but not for BM. CPU cores can be scaled up for BM online but not for VMs. To change the CPU of a VM, you need to reshape the VM, requires downtime. Check service tenancy limits before creating a DB system. Database additions as per application need. As always, estimate the cost. Prerequisites to provisioning VM or BM DB system. Virtual Cloud Network, VCN. Do not use a subnet that overlaps with interconnect. Required ports should be open in the security list and in the system itself. For a 2-node rack DB system, the subnet must have at least 6 available IP addresses. Optional, public/private key pair in OpenSSH format. Tenancy resource limits should allow taking the required resources. To create a DB system, we need a VCN, a subnet in it, public/private SSH keys, and enough available resources in the tenancy resource limits. OCI console can be easily used to launch a VM DB system. Most of the actions needed to manage the DB system can be performed from the OCI console. Start your browser and open Oracle website, OCI console. Create a VCN and a public subnet. Create a public/private SSH key pair. Check on the tenancy resource limits. Navigate to the DB system and its database in the OCI console to provision the DB. Under the Oracle database group, select the option bare metal, or VM, or Exadata, as per your need. Click on Create DB System button. Specify values for each of the option to fit your needs. Compartment. Name of DB system. Availability domain where DB system will be created. Shape type. Shape. Total node count. Database software edition. Available storage. Add public SSH keys. License type. VCN. Client subnet. Host name prefix. Then you need to specify some information for database that will be created. Database name. Database version. PDB name, optional. Administrator credentials. Workload type. Enable automatic backups. Backup retention period. Character set in advanced options. Then, click on Create DB System button. OCI CLI commands can be used to manage DB systems and the databases inside them. Provisioning DB system from OCI CLI. You can pass a JSON document containing the input parameter values. OCI DB system launch options. To generate a sample JSON document sample. OCI DB system launch generate full command JSON input. To pass a JSON document to the command. OCI DB system launch from JSON file ://db-add1-19c.json.